Mega love shout out! Welcome to my vlog, Gheng's Kitchen's vlog. And for today's video guys, I'll be showing to you my very simple recipe, which is a chicken sandwich spread a la Gheng. Samahan niyo ako guys. Really yum guys. For my chicken sandwich spread, I use chicken breast. Ayan. I already grated it. I have my grated cheese, grated carrots, salt, pepper, and our mayonnaise. And guys, some are putting like onions, pickled. But for me and my family, we just wanted the simple chicken sandwich spread. Kasi ayaw nila yung lasa ng onion and pickles. So, let's start now. All we need to do is we're just going to combine all the ingredients like this. The carrots, our grated cheese, we put a little bit of the salt, and the pepper. And we're going to mix it up, all the ingredients guys. And we will put now the mayo. Ang hirap kasi guys kapag school break, school holidays yung mga kiddos ko. Lagi yan nagugutom. Sabi nga nung binilhan ko ng bread, kailangan pag school holidays maraming stock sa pantry or sa fridge. Yes, that's true. Kasi nga, walang ginagawa yung mga kiddos. Yun, after mag-gadget, mag-watch ng movie or TV, yan. Agad, matik bubukas ng rep or pantry, maghahanap ng makakain. And, syempre, hindi naman pwedeng laging parehas lang yung siniserve mo sa kanila. So, yun guys. Ganito lang kasimple yung aking chicken sandwich. Napakasimple lang guys at napakadali, diba? Ay, yung husband ko kasi favorite niya to. Kahit sandwich lang yung binabaon niya sa work, ubra na siya. And guys, here is my very simple chicken sandwich spread a la Gheng. Napaka-easy gawin, kayang-kayang gawin, and yung mga ingredients natin is for sure available lang yan sa ating mga pantries or kitchen or ating mga fridge, kaya no need to worry about it. It's just available anytime, anywhere, sabi niya. So yun guys, hope you enjoyed my very simple chicken sandwich spread a la Gheng. And don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe button, and don't forget to comment down below for more updates for our next one. Hope you guys have a good day and God bless everyone. Keep safe. Bye bye. Lipat lang natin guys sa maliit na container. Ito para hindi masyadong malaki yung space sa ating fridge. Anyway, tama na yung lasa. Pasado na for sure sa aking mga kiddos and for my husband too. It's very healthy guys kasi ginamit natin yung chicken breast, which is white meat, less fat. At the same time, meron siyang carrots. Though yung mayo natin is medyo may fats ng konti, but still healthy pa rin siya. And what is important, it is homemade. It is made with love. Ayan yung ating chicken sandwich spread allergy. My yummy chicken sandwich spread. Sample na natin yung ating chicken sandwich spread. I'm gonna make a chicken sandwich overload. Yan natin siya ng cake and ham. Ayan, lalagyan din natin siya ng ham. Talagang overload yung sandwich natin for today. Guys, very special. For my very special kids and my husband. Guys, we have the burger buns, the ham, the sliced cheese, the egg, and the chicken sandwich, and we have lettuce here. So, start na tayo ng paggawa ng ating ultimate chicken sandwich. Ayan guys, nilagyan ko na siya ng chicken sandwich. We're gonna put the ham.
Daddy, what?
Did you say sorry?
Yeah.
Okay, that's good.
There's gonna come.
Guys, lettuce na lang yung ating iakat. And we're done with our ultimate chicken burger. This is our breakfast for today. Today's Wednesday, guys. Ayan. Sobrang kapal niya guys, di ko siya maklip, di ko siya masarap. This is it guys, chicken sandwich overload or chicken sandwich ultimate.